Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sruja Studies Circle. In my previous video, I have discussed about basic characteristics in animals part 1, and in this video I have brought the second part of that video. Okay, in my previous video, in the part 1, I have discussed about first 5 basic characteristics in animals, which are cellular structure, growth, movement, nutrition and response to stimuli. And in today's video we will continue the remaining 5 basic characteristics in animals. I hope you all like this video also. If you understood the concept, then hit the like button. I aim this video of 30 likes. If you do 30 likes, then I will bring a video of list of animals part 1. Okay, so and also share with your friends and relatives and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified whenever my new video uploads. So let us begin with our today's topic, basic characteristics in animals part 2. In our today's video, we are going to learn about these 5 last but not the least basic characteristics in animals, which are respiration, excretion, reproduction, adaptation and lifespan. So first let us study and let us learn about respiration. So let us start. So what is respiration? The air we take out and we breathe out is known as respiration. What we take in? Oxygen. What we breathe out? Carbon dioxide. O2 and CO2. But the process is not only breathing, but there is another process. The energy which is released from our food is taken by our cells and used it as energy form. So this process is known as respiration. The energy released out of the food is known as respiration, and for that we need oxygen and carbon dioxide. So this is the breathing in and breathe out process. Okay, so this is about respiration. But wait, in my animal quiz video, I hope you all have watched that video. In that I have asked one question. The organ from which the fishes breathe is called as gills. Okay, gills. Okay, similarly humans breathe with using lungs and nose, and all the living animals also, on the land animals also, and all in the frog we have, it is an adaptation, or we can tell that it's amphibian, so it has lungs and moist skin. Lungs and moist skin. But have you ever thought, how does the insects breathe? Insects breathe by tiny holes present on their body called spiracles. Okay, they breathe from their spiracles. This is about our respiration. So now let us go to our 7th basic characteristic in animals, that is excretion. Okay, so this is our 7th process, excretion. Now what is excretion? Let us see. But wait, we have to study about another process called metabolism. I hope you all know the meaning of metabolism. I will tell that if you don't know. Metabolism is the process in which the substances or the food we eat is breaking down into simpler substances and being digested is known as metabolism, which is used for energy releasing, that is respiration. Okay, this is metabolism. Okay, metabolism, important point in excretion. Now, the waste food or the food which we don't want, we don't require, that is taken out of our body. This process is called as excretion. This process is called as excretion. The water is excreted by urine or sweat. Okay, so this is about excretion. So now let us move to our eighth basic characteristic in animals, that is reproduction. Okay, so now what is the eighth process or the eighth characteristics, that is reproduction. Now what is reproduction? I think you all know the meaning of re and production. Produce or the production. Re means repeat, and produce is something we have to product, or we have to product, or we have to invent, or simply we have to give the product is called as production. Reproduction, repeat, produce. Okay, repeat, production, reproduction. So now I hope you all have understood what is reproduction, but I will explain briefly. Reproduction is a process in which the animals or the living organisms give birth or lays eggs to the birth of their young ones. Okay, they live animals kingdom, animal kingdom. They give birth to young ones. The mammals give birth to the young ones, and all other animals other than mammals lay eggs. This process is called as reproduction. Okay, so the examples of giving birth to the young ones are mammals, for example humans, lion, tiger, elephant, almost the land animals, and laying eggs are reptiles like snakes, frogs, turtles, fishes. They are not reptiles, and the birds are examples for the laying eggs which gives birth, and they sit on that and they give birth to their young ones. Okay, so this is all about our reproduction. So now let us move to our ninth basic characteristic in animals. So our ninth basic characteristic in animals is adaptation. Okay, so what is adaptation? Adaptation is the process in which the living organisms change themselves according to their environment or according to their area. I will only explain about adaptation this much because I have made a separate video on adaptation. You can watch that. That is adaptation in animals. I will give the link in the description box below and also on the I button above. So this is about adaptation. So now let us move to our last but not the least basic characteristic in animals, that is lifespan. Okay, now this is our last but not the least basic characteristic in animals, that is lifespan. What is lifespan? The process from the birth to the death is called as lifespan. In this we have 4 steps. First stage is birth, second is growth, third one is maturity, and fourth one is death. Okay, this cycle is known as lifespan. Okay, from here to there it is known as lifespan. Now different animals have different lifespan according to their adaptations or the areas surrounded and where they live, the environment. Okay, so in my animal quiz again video I have discussed about which is the longest living animal, that is giant tortoise, which can live up to 150 plus years. Okay, giant tortoise has 50 years plus lifespan. Humans have last 100 years. Okay, then our this one similarly our cat and dogs have their according to their lifespan 12 years or something. Okay, this is about our lifespan. I hope you all have understood the basic characteristics in animals and enjoyed this video, and also enjoyed my last part of that video. If you have understood the concept, then hit the like button, share with your friends and relatives on Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter and other social medias. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. I will meet you soon in my next video on Sunday. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.